How do we quantify historical economic performance? Imagine trying to measure how well an economy did hundreds of years ago without the computers and data systems we have today. It might seem impossible, but economists have developed ways to do just that. They mainly look at how much stuff was produced, how much income was earned, and how efficiently resources were used over time. The main tool used now is called Gross Domestic Product, or GDP. This measures the total value of all goods and services made inside a country during a specific period, usually a year. To make sure comparisons are fair, economists adjust these numbers for inflation, so they reflected real growth rather than just price changes. Before GDP became popular in the mid-1900s, economists used other indicators like industrial production figures, freight transportation data, and estimates of national income, which was called gross national product. These earlier measures helped build the foundation for the more detailed accounting systems we use today. To piece together the economic story of the past, economists reconstruct national accounts by collecting data on how much was produced, how much income was earned, and how much was spent. They often use a method called the perpetual inventory method, which adds up all the investments made over time to estimate how much capital a country has accumulated. This helps show how much a country has invested in its future. To compare data from different times, they adjust all figures to constant prices, removing the effects of inflation. This way, they can see real changes in economic performance. Another key part of understanding economic history is measuring productivity, which shows how well labor and capital are used to produce goods and services. Total factor productivity looks at how much output increases due to technological progress or better efficiency, not just more inputs. Over the years, methods for measuring productivity have improved, giving a clearer picture of what drives economic growth. When we look at capitalism, these numbers tell us a lot about how markets, investments, and technological advances have pushed economies forward. They help us see why some periods had rapid growth, while others stagnated. These measurements are also useful for policymakers and business leaders because they reveal trends in economic expansion, productivity, and investment. They allow us to compare different countries and time periods, showing how industrialization and innovation have shaped modern capitalism. In essence, quantifying economic performance involves gathering data on output, inputs, and productivity, then adjusting for price changes so we can compare across eras. These figures help us understand how economies grow and evolve, highlighting the importance of production, investment, and technological progress in shaping economic history.